So today we're looking at an air purifier. Yep. And this one's by a company called Morento. Right here, Morento Air Purifiers. And this one's for, it says large rooms up to, well, over 1,000 square feet. That's actually pretty big. PM 2.5 display, air quality sensors, HEPA filter. You can do all, you guys can, links down below if you guys are interested in taking a look at this website. 4.5 stars. That's pretty good. Over 1,700 reviews. Also really good. And at time of filming, now I don't know if this price is going to be there all the time, but normally 129 US dollars, 130, with a $50 coupon knocks it down to like a really good price. We are going to take a look at the unit. Now, I honestly thought the box and the unit, for the fact that this said that it does over 1,000 square feet, I expected that the purifier was going to be larger, but it's not. It's actually quite small, at least the box is. So we're going to take a look at the box, see what comes in it. We're going to turn it on because one of the things they talk about is this being pretty silent. So I got a place for it to plug into right over here. We'll take a listen to see if it is as quiet as they say. A few things on their website. Dual side air intake. Air purifier for home large rooms is designed for dual air intakes. Okay, yeah. High efficiency filtration. The air purifier for smoke has upgraded to a more efficient purification system. Removes 99.97% of air particles with their HEPA filters from small to 0.3 microns. All kinds of specs that are important, I guess, that they could have said a whole bunch of stuff there, and honestly I'd be like, cool. I don't know what this PM 2.5 display, I'm guessing it's just a display on the top with air quality sensor. Also kind of cool, just so you can see if your air quality is good. This is a big one, silent partner, because we want to make sure that it's pretty quiet, because if it's running in the background and constantly making noise, then nobody wants it. It says that less than 24 decibels, so that's really good. 3 timer and 4 fan speeds. Multiple filter choices. Please replace with, they say, their own brand of air filters every 4 to 6 months. But I'm sure there's lots of air filters out there you and I could probably find. And it's an ideal gift. Really, really good reviews. Let's take a look at it. I'm just going to close this and put this over here somewhere. And I talked about the box being, like, it's not as big as you might think. You know, that's kind of it. I honestly expected this to be a lot bigger. Really, the box in itself is probably only about 2 feet tall. That's kind of nice. And you can see probably some information on the box there. I'll just kind of put it there. You guys can read the box if you so choose. Not that I think there's a lot of information on it. There's definitely some there. I need something to open this box. Hold on. The magic of an Allen key. You can do with it all kinds of stuff. We're there. Okay, so inside we get a bunch of stuff. Hold on. So it comes in this nice little foam wrapping. Any extra protection is always good. I don't think there's a lot here. It's probably just got a power plug, my guess would be, and a manual. Power plug, traditional go into the wall power plug. It is pretty, it's light. I'm really surprised at how small it is. And this must be the display that they're talking about. You guys can hopefully see that. I'm just going to look at what that says. It has a child lock, filter reset, and a bunch of information on this little screen. A bunch of little pull tags, of course, just to get this so it's workable. Just like you and I when we get like a printer. But this isn't a printer. It'd be cool if it was a printer. My guess is this manual here, you get 2 little things. This is a product manual, how to operate the unit. It's kind of all on the back. Talks about the principles of air purification, air purifiers and accessories, and how to use, and what the LCD screen says. I'll probably keep that handy. And then you also get, I think this is, yeah, a quick guide. So this is like a quick start guide. This is probably more or less what I'm going to use right here. Power button, wind speed button, sleep mode, automatic mode. That's probably the one I would use. Child lock, timer button, filter reset button. There is a QR code, you guys can see at the bottom, but it does say you scan it just for support. So it does say don't put this close to a wall. Don't make the PM 2.5 sensor occluded or close to the wall. So again, don't put it close to a wall. And when installing the filter element, it is correct that turn the side printed with front on the outside. All right, okay. My guess is somewhere there's a so this is a handle. You might be able to see there's a handle up there. My guess is this comes off. Aha! And this is your filter. So make sure you take the filter out of the bank, because if not, that's not doing a whole lot of good. And I'm doing this with all without reading the manual. That's right. So like it says, make sure the word front is on the front. This, I guess, just kind of goes in like so. There's no top or bottom, I don't think. And then that's easy. And then it talks about there's two actual, I guess, sensors. So one up top here and one here. So it's hard for you guys to see it, but there's like a little sensor hole here, and there is a sensor hole up top as well. And is there a sticker? There is. I'll keep the sticker on. And then on the front, is there another? I'm guessing there's another filter. Yes. So make sure you do both. All right, same idea. I like that there's two filters though. That's kind of nice. And it's easy to put together. Sweet. That's nice. I like that. All right, let's plug it in. So those are all sensors on the back. Power is down here on the bottom. So up at the top, don't try to plug it in back here. It looks like little spots that you and I could put a power in, but it's not. Ready? You guys see that? Right now, it is doing nothing. Doing nothing. I'm guessing you take this there's a little thing on the top. Haha. So see on the top, up here, that's where kind of all your settings are. The front screen is just for a front screen. So we do have a power button. Ready? Oh, that's nice. It does have an auto mode, I think, too. So you turn it on, and then this one turns to fan. Ready? I'm going to turn the fan all the way up to high. You guys will be able to tell if you can hear it. Now, you should be able to hear it, because it is a fan. As you can see up there, it actually has a filter life. I don't know what this 027 is, but it's got some kind of rating on it. And it blows the air out the top. That's actually a fair bit of air coming out of that, actually. And that's on high. All right. That's all right. And then, because this screen here does nothing. It's not tappable. It's just, I'm thinking just to be able to see it. And I'm guessing, my guess would be, see how this has a green ring around it? That would be telling you your air condition is good. I want to see here if it says anything. So it does have a numeric display, it says. It says it has a PM 2.5 index and then a air quality indicator. Yeah, so green, yellow, and red. So green being good, yellow being warning, red being, hey, now. So we're in green, so that's good. And again, at the top, you do have some kind of fan speeds, right? It slows down. Very nice. You guys are probably getting wind right in the microphone. My apologies for that. You have a night mode, you have a timer, and you have it like a child lock. And then it has an auto button. And then auto would just kind of do its thing. You know, if you can get this, even at $100, that's a pretty good deal. If you can get this right now, it's like, what is it? $79, something like that for an air purifier. That's pretty good. I do like the size because it's tiny, and if you have a smaller room, it's not going to take up a lot of space, which is nice. And 1,000 square feet, that's decent. That's a decent size for sure. All right, guys, that's it. This is the Morento Air Purifier. Yeah, that's nice. Links down below if you're interested, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.